The Reports page is where you can review your past transactions and better understand where your money has gone over time. Unlike the dashboard, the Reports page is designed primarily for looking back at past activity. Here, you can search transactions, filter by account, and review spending history across your buckets. This can be helpful for reviewing spending patterns, understanding past purchases, or seeing how your money has been used over time. You can add notes and make other adjustments to past transactions here if needed. You can also reassign past transactions to different buckets here. This can be helpful if you'd like to better organize or clean up your past transactions. Changes made on the Reports page do not affect your current bucket balances on the dashboard. The Reports page gives you a full history of your money while keeping your dashboard focused on helping you clearly see what your money is for right now.